WOFE is a wholly owned foreign enterprise. And what that really means is that it's an entity that an American company owns and operates outside of the United States of America.
Hankscraft's facility in China is called Suzhou, and it's our wholly owned facility in China. That's another manufacturing facility for Hankscraft outside of the US. Hankscraft started the facility in China in the early 2000s. Hankscraft was looking for some lower cost motor options and looking for a different motor than what we produce here at our facility in Reedsburg. Hankscraft was looking into China for motor options, and they're running into issues with communication barriers, dealing with suppliers over there, and also with quality issues with the motors. Hankscraft had discussions with other customers in the US who were running into the same challenge, and Hankscraft had an internal meeting and decided maybe we should just open our own company over there, a WOFE over there.
Being an American owned and managed facility, and that's what a WOFE is very important. That's number one. We own it, we manage it, we're in charge of it day to day. And that's a lot different than other companies that work with or try to work with other operations outside of the United States.
At our facility in China, we do assembly of electromechanical assemblies. We also there have an engineering group that works with our facility in Wisconsin to collaborate on design engineering for products for customers. Some of the main benefits of having a facility in China, one would be the labor pool over there. It's a larger labor pool that you have, so if you need to ramp up production, it's easier to find people over there to be able to get people in and produce product. Another one is a vast supply chain. They can help to improve products with alternate components to bring costs down or improve performance.
Seamless communication is absolutely important. If you think about trying to talk to somebody, not just with the time difference, but the language difference, right? So we have a lot of people in China that speak fluent English that work for us. And the communication, the seamless communication, the understanding of what we're telling them they need to do or asking them to do is critical and wonderful as an advantage that we have. Quality is job one. I think Ford said that back in the day, and that's exactly what it is. Quality is very important, and there's any number of quality certifications that companies have, but what the most important thing is that we take it very seriously. If we have to use subcontractors, we work with them. We go to their facility, inspect the parts before they ship to them. Typically, all of those subcomponents come to us for final assembly, or if they don't, if they were to ship directly to the United States, they still come to us, and we then inspect the product, make sure it's right, and ship it to you.
Our customers can have a direct relationship with their product, working with our team, as we can go through the requirements or the standards for their product, what it needs to meet. We can have that communication here in the US with face-to-face meetings. And then when it's time to have the tooling done or to produce their product, we can have our customer on site at our facility in China where we'll be there as well to work through their program with them.
When you hang up the phone with us, whether it's a salesperson or an engineer at Hankscraft, you can know the job is going to be taken care of. We're going to respond quickly, we're going to respond in detail, and we're going to take care of what you need. And that is the best thing I can say about a WOFE, taking care of your needs in a very complete and thorough manner.